Tonight we're going to look at a great online retail company dedicated to the hobby, BrokenToad. Coming right up. Hey up, and welcome to the show. I'm Garzinski, this is Ribbits and Daka, and you are in for a treat. Tonight's show we're going to have a look at BrokenToad, a fairly young company up in the northeast of England, not far from me actually. Met one of the guys who works there, Normski. He's a member of Chilling Wargamers. Met him on one of the Hobby Corner hangouts with Kev the Hobby Corner. I'll put links in the description below. One of their live hangouts a couple of weeks ago, maybe 3 weeks now. Met Normski in chat. Really funny lad, really good sense of humour. He works at BrokenToad. All the guys at Chilling Wargamers are raving about these BrokenToad brushes, so I thought we'll get one of these isolation survival packs, so I'm going to have a quick look at that in a few minutes. Before that we're going to have a look at my mini of the week, which is a fantastic little mini. But before that we're going to do a little shout out for the community. Some amazing achievements again this week, or last couple of weeks. Richard from Spray Black Studios, he's only just started out, he's got 40 subs. Scott from Bigfoot Hobbies has just reached 65 subs, he's just been going a little while now. George G the Hypersapien just reached his 100 subs target, doing a little grot giveaway on his channel. Go and check George out, G the Hypersapien. Great little grot. I won't tell you about it, go and check George's shout out about it. George G the Hypersapien 100 subs prize giveaway, please go and give him a look. Ben from Goblin Grotto, 300 subs, so well done to Ben. I'm just getting up towards 200, we'll be doing a giveaway at 250. I've got a full set of Army Painter washes to give away, Army Painter quick shades. I'm going to give a full set away of them on the 250 mark, so stay tuned, like, share, subscribe and all that business. And the most amazing thing this week within the community, Nick Beer of Idic Beer, 40k Necrons and more, has just reached 20,000 subs for his YouTube channel, which is an outstanding achievement when you think about it. Nick is one of the nicest guys in the community that you can ever hope to meet. He's helped me immensely at the beginning of my venture into this YouTube thing. There isn't a nicer guy in the community, and he's so helpful, so supportive. He's just a guy you need to be in charge of your Facebook group, because this group is amazing, and the other groups that I mentioned in the intro, 40k Orc Community, Boss Mex Orc Boys, Chilling Wargamers, Dyson Demons, I think I've covered them all, I'm not quite sure. If I've forgotten anybody, I apologise. Go and check all these Facebook groups out. At the end of October I'm going to be doing the August Community Showcase, which is bikes, trikes and buggies this month. So get on the Facebook, one of the groups, find the post, drop in your pictures and we'll show it on here. I think that's about it, so we'll have a look now at my mini of the week, which I loved when I saw it. I am honoured by this mini, you'll see why coming up. And there it is. This is another one by my friend in the US of A, down there in the southern states in Georgia. This is by Wayne Humber. People are going to start thinking I'm biased, but I had to put this one in. Wayne said as soon as he saw the rivet gun in this grot's hand, he was inspired, and the first thing he did with it when he'd finished was post me a picture of it on Messenger, and I was honoured. I really was honoured. Thanks very much for that, Wayne. A great little mini, as I'm sure you'll all agree. So that's my mini of the week this week. Gar the Riveter, a grot by Wayne Humber. Thanks very much for that, Wayne. I'll never forget this, thank you. Moving on. It made my week when I saw that little grot. Thank you for that, Wayne. I am really, really honoured. Thank you. So now we're going to have a look at my BrokenToad order, which was the Isolation Survival Kit, with a few things in it, including the brushes that I really wanted. The price of the brushes makes the rest of the things in the box practically free. So let's go and have a look at that now. Coming up now. So here's the box. Now we'll look in. I asked Normski at BrokenToad if he'd stick me a sticker in footwall. He said he'd get one anyway, but he stuck another one in, look. So thank you very much for that, Normski. Have a look what there is. BrokenToad brush soap. Very nice. Oh, that's a good touch. Very good idea. Stop it drying out. Yeah, I like that. That'll last me forever, that. So that's one of the things in the box. A free Freddo. Said you won't, everybody gets one of them. Now this is the bust. This is a bust of a... Oh, it doesn't show you a picture. Let's take all this out. In fact, I'll take everything out of the box. Put the box out of the way. Let's take this out. You see that? It says, this card certifies this model as a 100% original authentic resin cast produced in the UK by BrokenToad. Support rail artists, help stop recasting. BrokenToad resin cast. Nice touch. You can see that hologram. That authenticates the miniature itself. Oh, another little sticker. Ho ho. Right, let's have a look at the mini. Oh yeah. I'm not going to get it out of the bag. My hands are quite mucky at the moment. That's a Jester bust. I can't wait till I've got this. I've never done a bust. Beautiful detail. I'll have to get a nice plinth made for that, I think. That'll be a nice little side project to do when I get fed up of rivets. Yeah, that's beautiful. Very nice. That's called Skin Deep. The name of the bust. There are other ones available. I asked for that one. I couldn't find a place on the order when I was ordering it on the website for actually selecting the bust. So anyway, I PM'd Normski and told him which one I wanted and can I have a sticker for the wall. So I've ended up with 3. Get them on here. Great stuff. Give you a plug there, guys. This is what I really wanted. Oh, I see. Very nice little box. Everything's very top quality, the packaging and everything. Oh. Don't want to damage anything getting it out. There we go. This is the Series 3 brush set. Genuine sable. Very nice. I'm going to use these on the bust when I do it, and I'll probably do a video about it. But they are beautiful. Well, this is the Miniature Series Mark III BrokenToad set. Altogether, this whole thing, this bundle was 65 quid, which is a bargain anyway. There's far more than that monetary value in the box. The free Freddo. Lay it all out. The brush. The brush is in the wonderful box. And my spare BrokenToad sticker for the wall of Gork. Great online retail company, BrokenToad this time. We'll stick them on the wall, give them a whirl. Can't tell you what the brush is like yet personally, but everyone's been raving about them. I've only seen one complaint about one splitting online. Don't know what caused it, didn't really look. But I'll give them a whirl, I'll let you know what they're like. Oh, there you go, BrokenToad. Up there in Middlesbrough, giving me support. Young company, nice lads. Keep it in the family. Oh, there you have it. BrokenToad, ladies and gentlemen. I'm sure you'll all agree that's a fantastic little set for the money. The brushes are alone are worth the money that you pay for the whole box. So that's the BrokenToad Isolation Survival Kit. I'm very happy with it. The materials, the packaging, everything about it's top quality. So I'd highly recommend them. So Wall of Gork, great online retail companies. BrokenToad will be going up there. I haven't put Spellcrow up here yet because I haven't done a sticker for them, and there's nothing that you get with your order with their logo on for me to pinch. So I'll do that shortly. Coming up next, in the next show, will be my order that I got them from Green Stuff World, which came while I was doing the review for BrokenToad. My BrokenToad order came while I was doing the review for Spellcrow. So my next review will be Green Stuff World, the order that I got from them, some nice little things. I'll show you that next. And then we'll have the end of August community showcase, bikes, trikes and buggies. And then we're going to start looting a Baneblade. I've had this Baneblade on my shelf for about 12 years. I don't know, I'll tell you when we do it, how old it is. It's the original Baneblade. I think it was £55 at the time. I think it's 75 now. So that'll tell you how old it is. About 3 weeks, knowing GW's price hikes. But anyway, we're going to start doing a little mini series, looting the Baneblade, which is going to go behind my Mega Death Roller that you've all seen already. And that'll be coming up in a future episode, but I'm going to get these little unboxings out of the way. I had a little bit of a spending spree, and there's a couple of more things I'd like to show you. I've got to go back to work on Monday, full time. I'm still going to endeavour to try and get one of these videos out every week at least, I think. At least one of them. I'm going to get cracked on with the showcase, then we'll do the looting the Baneblade, and I'll see you for the Green Stuff World unboxing next time. Take care.